rising like a silver thread through the evergreen cliffs of the Columbia River Gorge. This is Multnomah Falls, one of the most visited and photographed waterfalls in the United States. The upper fall drops 542 feet, the lower 69 more. Together, a breathtaking plunge of 620 feet, making it the tallest waterfall in Oregon. Fed by underground springs on Larch Mountain, Multnomah flows year-round, its mist cooling the air in summer and turning to icy lace in winter. The arched stone bridge you see, Benson Bridge, was built in 1914, offering one of the most iconic views in the Pacific Northwest. But Multnomah is more than just beauty. According to Native American legend, the falls were created to win the heart of a young woman who wanted a secret place to bathe. Even today, it feels like a place made for wonder, accessible, timeless, roaring, yet somehow always peaceful. This is Multnomah Falls. Join us next time to discover where the water falls.